Is QuickTime a high quality format? The answer is it depends. The quality of a QuickTime file depends upon how audio and video information is stored inside the file. But there's a general notion that QuickTime files are of extremely high quality, and this is misused by a lot of camera and mobile phone manufacturers to fool the customers into thinking that their product uses high quality QuickTime. In reality, QuickTime is a container format, which means it's like an array of boxes, and each of these boxes contain a short duration of video and audio information. Now, the audio and video information in each of these boxes can be stored either in high or low quality. Just like Apple boxes can be used to store good apples and bad apples. The highest quality is uncompressed, which means storing the entire raw information of audio and video, just like storing ripe apples into apple boxes. But uncompressed audio video information takes a lot of space, like 1 GB per second of 4K video. And you may need a 4 TB hard drive to store 1 hour of data, which is impractical. The next method is compressed, where the essential information is kept and some of the information is left out. This drastically decreases the file size. To achieve this, we use a set of rules called codec, and the process is called encoding. The quality of these visuals depends on the encoder and the codec. Some of the codecs compresses but keeps all the essential information, like Apple's proprietary codec ProRes. A video stored in ProRes will have enough information for grading. In a fruit seller's world, this is like storing apples after removing the seed and the skin. It drastically reduces file size. A 4K file in ProRes may require about 100 to 200 MB per second. In case the audio-video information needs to be compressed more, we use codecs which compress aggressively, like H.264 or H.265. This codec removes almost all the information and keeps only what is essential to view the file. However, adjusting the file for coloring or grading may give really bad results. In a fruit seller's world, this is like removing the skin and the seed of apple and drying it to store as dried apples. They may taste and smell like apples, but you know the difference between a dried apple and a sweet, juicy ripe apple. These formats require very little space to store the audio-video information, like 20 to 30 MB per second. This is good enough to stream the video over the internet or store it as a final deliverable file. Many of the consumer cameras and mobile phones, even from the top companies, which claims to store as QuickTime and actually uses H.264 and then markets it as a high quality format. So when you buy a camera, look for the codec which it uses to store the information.